What is going on, guys? My name is Signet, and you guys can call me Matt. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. You guys are probably all here for the same reason, which is you guys downloaded Modern Warfare for the PC. You guys jumped in that beta. You guys are probably all excited. That game's fucking great. And then you saw somebody talking and you couldn't hear shit. And you're like, what is going on? You looked in all the settings, you guys couldn't find anything, you maxed out the audio level, you still can't hear anything. Your mic works, it looks like they're responding back to you, but nothing fucking works. Turns out it's a part of Windows bullshit, basically. I mean, it is a little weird, the fact that it's beta and there's already this many problems. Like, I mean, the resolution scale was set to 50% on some people's, like mine. It was set to 50% even though I have a i7 8700K and a 1080 Ti and I'm on 1080p, which is pathetic. But it was set to 50% resolution scale, which is like, I don't even know the actual numbers of it, but it was like not at all cool. I have it set to 130% now, but it's like, why is that set to that in a either way? All I'm trying to do here, guys, is show you how to fix and get voice chat back for your PC playing Modern Warfare. So first things first, let's go to control panel. If you guys don't know how to do that, just go into your start menu, go to control panel, and right there it is. I have mine actually pinned down here. It's quick and easy. You guys should do it too. Open it up, go to hardware and sound, go into sound. A little box will pop up, your sound box. Okay, so you're going to notice that if it looks similar to mine, then you're on the right track, meaning that this is probably your problem, and it's a very easy fix. So you're going to notice that we have speakers, and we also have digital audio, SNP, DIF. So that's Sony and Philips audio device audio. It's something stupid. It's something completely stupid. Either way, Windows loves to set that as the default communication device. I'm not sure why. I've changed it back multiple times, and it's like every time I restart my computer, it just switches it back. I don't know. Either way, let's do a little check so we know what we're working with. So go down to your speakers. Go ahead and look. Okay, so I have my headphones plugged in, so it is on speakers. It is being recognized as speakers, high definition audio device. And if you actually go ahead and do a little click, you'll notice that the green bar on speakers were activated, meaning the audio is going through speakers. And you can also check that, okay, speakers, high definition audio device, and it is my default device. Cool. Okay. Now, if we actually go and right click and set as default communication device and completely remove digital audio from being the default communication device, and now we have speakers being the default device and also the default communication device. So we have to allow the speakers to be both in order to hear team chat on Modern Warfare on the PC. It's weird, it's stupid, I don't know why, but it's just really simple. It's stupidly simple. And I just want to get this video out because it was like I was sitting here for like an hour trying to figure this shit out, and I was like, yo, what is going on? Why can't I hear people? Nothing in like the game's settings are changing anything. I'm just getting frustrated. You know, I was talking to people in the game and it looked like they were responding back, but there was nothing I can do. You know, people were calling things out and I had no idea what they were saying. But anyways, guys, I hope this is a quick, easy fix for you. It's really simple. Just make sure that your speakers or whatever device you're using that's plugged into your computer to listen is set to your default device and your default communication device. So set them as both, and you should be golden. Restart Modern Warfare, get back in it, and play that fucking beta, guys. I love you guys. Comment, subscribe, share this with people, let people know, and also check out Twitch, twitch.tv/signets. I'm streaming there like all day. Anyways, I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.